most important skill set what they are testing in CPA 2024 is digital acumen. And the way the simulations, case law based questions are being graded, it's more on how they would file the tax returns in the software. So having the knowledge of digital or the software is very, very important. And I think these are the skill set which will be tested even in their practical life, because they'll be tested more on how they use their digital skills, and definitely soft skills are very important. How they communicate, how they articulate their thought process. I think these will be the skills which will be tested apart from all this. And yeah, one more important thing is business partnering. I think this will be closely observed now, how they give insights, analytics to the business and help the businesses to grow. So these are the skill set which we should look forward for in the CPA professionals now in the coming years.